Hey guys, it's Fusion Kid. Today we're taking a more detailed look at another standout from this week's sneak peek video, this 1959 Chevy Biscayne, priced at $34,900. If you want to make sure this ride's still available, head on over to maplemotors.com, click on inventory. Starting up front, this Biscayne features one-piece chrome bumpers and bright trim that reinforces that classic look. Under the hood, you're going to find an upgraded fuel-injected LS V-8 conversion paired with cold air intake, headers, and dual exhaust running through Flowmaster mufflers. Connected to an automatic transmission, it also features power steering and power disc brakes. The suspension has been lowered, giving it a more sleek, modern profile on the road. As well, another standout for this car is the staggered 20-inch chrome torque thrust wheels. On the interior, you'll find classic instruments gauges, a 15-inch replica steering wheel, a tilt steering column, and a Lokar shifter, all coming together to create a clean, vintage meets modern feel. Once again, 1959 Chevy Biscayne, priced at $34,900. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss tomorrow's detailed overview of the new inventory. I'll be putting out videos of new inventory just about every day. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.